Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef Jill Does That. I'm Chef Jill. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, tips, tricks, and recipes as they come. Whenever I'm creating new recipes, I always think about combining two things that I really like. And two fried things that I'm in love with are churros and cheesecake. So today we're going to do exactly that. Put them together, and I'll show you how to prep them ahead of time for easy serving. So before we actually start cooking, let me show you the equipment and ingredients you're going to need in order to do this. So for Churro Cheesecake Spring Rolls, you'll need a high-sided frying pan, a pair of chopsticks or tongs, paper towels for draining. You'll also need a mixing bowl and spoon, and a small ice cream scoop or disher. Churro Cheesecake Spring Rolls need 2 8-ounce containers of whipped cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a package of spring roll or egg roll wrappers, an egg beaten with 1 tablespoon of water. You'll also need a cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon for dusting at the end. Alright, now that we have everything we need, let's get started. And there you go. There's another recipe by Chef Jill Sienna. If you're interested in more recipes, tips, and tricks, in the description below is a link to my website, chefjilldoesthat.com. Also, you can like this video to keep it in your archive and subscribe for more videos as soon as they're ready. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.